Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how can you put story on Instagram. First of all, you have to open your Instagram in your mobile phone. After opening it, a screen like this will open. This is called homepage. Now you simply have to click on the story option on the left top corner of the screen. After clicking it, a screen like this will open. Here you have to choose a picture or the video which you want to upload. For example, I choose this. Now adjust its size and simply you have to click on this arrow option. I want to put it on my story only. Then click on share. After clicking on share, you have to click on done. Here you have it. You can see your story is uploaded. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.